The vision of what we aim to accomplish when we think about industrial and agricultural water reuse is threefold. One, as we're seeing out in a lot of the challenges right now in the Western United States, there are challenges around how we allocate our water resources. We have an available public water supply that is also needed to produce our fuel, our food, our goods and services. And if we can help make industry or agricultural facilities focus on reusing their water, and that's part of their baseline operations, then we can reduce the drawdown that industry has on public supply, making there be more water to go around. So it starts with less competition on limited resources, but then it also moves into resiliency for future growth. If I'm an industrial plant and I know that my future expansion plans, my growth plans require me to bring more water into the facility, if I'm able to reuse and recover what I have better security for where my plant, where my operations need to move. So it's less competition of public supply, better resiliency for future growth. And then what we're seeing with a lot of our customers is actually taking waste and turning it into something that's valuable, creating feedstocks, fertilizers, valuable co-products out of the waste that transform the economics of trying to shift to advanced treatment. So we're lowering that hurdle, making it easier for someone to look at tools that they've never had a chance to try and apply, and the economic story allows them to move and make that transition quickly.